Garage work is full of small moments that add up. A bolt that will not budge, a part you cannot reach, or a cleanup job that takes longer than it should. Today we look at 20 new garage tools that aim to reduce those moments. Each one brings something different to the table, whether that is better access, more control, or safer handling. Whether you wrench daily or on weekends, there is something here that will click with you. Let's get started. Cleaning greasy, grimy parts in a small workshop or garage often leaves a mess across your bench, but the SCA 12-liter parts washer solves that with a compact, efficient design. Perfect for automotive, motorcycle, lawnmower, marine, and bicycle components, it uses a recirculating pump and flexible spout to rinse away stubborn muck with ease. The removable work shelf lets debris fall through to the bottom, keeping your workspace clean while you scrub. With a 12-liter capacity, it's sized for small parts, yet powerful enough to tackle the filthiest jobs. Durable construction ensures long service life, and its portable design makes it ideal for home garages and DIY setups. Whether you're restoring, repairing, or maintaining equipment, the SCA parts washer transforms dirty, time-consuming cleanup into a quick, controlled process, keeping your work area spotless and your parts ready to perform. Diagnosing heat issues with guesswork or low-quality imagers often leads to missed problems and wasted time. But the TC004 handheld thermal camera solves that with clarity and endurance. Measuring a wide temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 350 degrees Celsius, it's perfect for electrical, mechanical, and building diagnostics. The high-resolution 256 by 192 infrared sensor delivers sharp, detailed thermal images so you can say goodbye to blurry results. With a 12-hour runtime, it's built for long days in the field, and its standalone mode makes quick checks easy. For deeper analysis, switch to PC mode to project and upload images directly for reporting or documentation. Compact yet powerful, the TC004 transforms thermal inspection from a frustrating chore into a precise, professional process, helping you spot issues faster, work smarter, and keep systems running safely and efficiently. Dragging bulky washers or relying on weak hoses makes outdoor cleaning a hassle, but this compact, foldable electric pressure washer solves that with portability and power. Its foldable design collapses into a compact size for easy storage in your car trunk, RV, or closet, making it perfect for travel, camping, and on-the-go cleaning. With a 22-liter water capacity, a 12-liter main tank, plus a 10-liter leak-proof bag, you can clean longer without constant refills, and the sealed bag prevents spills during transport. The 4-in-1 adjustable nozzle lets you switch between fan sprays, jet stream, or atomizing mist, while the included brush tackles stubborn dirt. Powered by a built-in lithium battery with up to 35 minutes of runtime and Type-C charging, it delivers 72 psi plus or minus 10% pressure output for vehicles, gear, furniture, and more, transforming mobile cleaning into a quick, efficient routine. Tracking down hidden vehicle issues with guesswork or waiting for warning lights often leads to costly repairs, but the Spark Diagnostics AI-powered vehicle health monitor solves that with smart, real-time insights. Using advanced artificial intelligence, it continuously analyzes your vehicle's performance, detecting problems before they become breakdowns. Compact and easy to install, it connects seamlessly to your car's systems, delivering instant health reports straight to your device. From engine performance and transmission behavior to suspension and electrical checks, Spark provides a comprehensive diagnostic overview without the need for a shop visit. Designed for both professionals and everyday drivers, it helps reduce downtime, improve safety, and extend vehicle life. Whether you're managing a fleet or maintaining your daily driver, Spark transforms vehicle care from reactive repairs into proactive, intelligent monitoring. Installing stretch belts on double pulley systems without the right tool is frustrating, time-consuming, and risks damaging the belt, but the Lyle 59350 stretch belt installer solves that with precision and ease. Engineered specifically for double pulley applications, this installer allows you to quickly and safely mount stretch belts without prying or forcing them into place. The compact design fits easily into tight engine bays, while the durable construction ensures long service life under repeated use. By eliminating the need to remove components or improvise with screwdrivers, it saves significant time and reduces the chance of belt or pulley damage. Perfect for modern engines with stretch belt systems, the Lyle transforms installation from a tedious struggle into a smooth, professional process, helping mechanics and DIYers alike get the job done faster and more reliably.
Breaking loose stubborn fasteners with short ratchets often means wasted effort, knuckle-busting slips, and damaged tools, but the Icon G2 extra-long ratchets solve that with leverage, strength, and precision. Engineered with an extended handle design, they deliver maximum torque while keeping your hands clear of tight spaces. The fine-tooth 90-tooth gear mechanism provides smooth operation and a minimal 4-degree arc swing, perfect for confined areas where precision counts. Built from premium chrome vanadium steel, these ratchets combine durability with a polished finish that resists corrosion. The comfort grip handle reduces fatigue during long jobs, while the low-profile head design ensures access to recessed fasteners. Available in multiple tribe sizes, the Icon G2 extra-long ratchets transform tough fastening tasks into controlled, efficient work, giving professionals and DIYers the leverage they need without sacrificing accuracy or comfort. Struggling with limited setups when tackling heavy push-pull jobs slows progress and risks damaging components, but the PowerTech 45PC accessory kit solves that with versatility and durability. Designed for use with the Electro Power 5-ton push-pull system, this kit expands your options with rubber feet, support brackets, clamps, and multiple extensions to handle a wide range of repair scenarios. From suspension and framework to engine and transmission jobs, the included mounting pins, L-pins, and specialty supports ensure secure and adaptable setups. The robust blow mold carry case keeps all 45 pieces organized and protected, ready for transport between jobs. Built for professionals, this kit transforms the push-pull system into a flexible powerhouse, saving time, improving accuracy, and delivering reliable results across demanding automotive repairs. Some parts refuse to move no matter how patient we are. That is where this Astro Tools stubby air slide hammer steps in. It runs on compressed air and delivers up to 1,200 blows per minute, which feels similar to a heavy manual slide hammer. The difference is consistency and less strain on the body. It uses standard 5/8-inch threads, so most common slide hammer attachments fit without adapters. The short body works well in tight areas, and the extension rod adds reach when space allows. A lever-style throttle gives control over force, which helps protect surrounding parts. It works best around 90 psi, which most shop compressors support easily. This is a problem-solver tool, and when needed, it saves serious effort. A weak hood strut can turn a basic check into a safety issue. This Lyle lift support clamp handles that risk with a very simple idea. It clamps onto the strut shaft and holds it fully extended, which keeps hoods or tailgates open while we work. A strong magnet helps hold it in place during setup, and the aluminum body avoids damage to the shaft surface. Brass threads add protection and smooth adjustment. There's also a bright reminder flag attached, which helps us remember to remove it before closing anything. It fits lift supports up to 9/16 of an inch. This tool does only one job, but it does it reliably and quietly adds peace of mind. Hammers rarely get attention until the wrong one causes damage. This Eris 3-piece dead blow hammer set focuses on control and reduced rebound. Each hammer uses a shot-filled head, which transfers force into the strike instead of bouncing back. That helps protect hands and wrists during longer jobs. The set includes 13-ounce, 26-ounce, and 45-ounce sizes, which cover light alignment work and heavier persuasion. The one-piece polyurethane body resists cracking and splitting under repeated impact. Handles are textured and contoured, which keeps the grip secure with oily hands. These work well for suspension parts, body panels, and alignment tasks. They feel balanced, durable, and very garage-friendly.
You know those bolts that sit just out of reach, where a normal impact feels bulky and awkward? That is where this Astro Tools Nano Flex Head impact starts to make sense. The head is extremely short at just over 3 inches, which helps you fit it between brackets, suspension parts, or brake components. The flex head rotates up to 180 degrees, and the handle swivels fully, so you can line it up exactly how your hands need it. Power is still very real here, with up to 400 foot-pounds available when needed. Inside, the twin hammer setup delivers solid hits without feeling wild. The front exhaust keeps air away from your face and work area. This is not a general-purpose impact for everything. It works best when access is limited and precision matters. If you spend time around brakes or tight chassis work, this tool feels thoughtfully designed for you. Plastic repairs often feel temporary unless you have the right method. This Polyvance mini weld system approaches plastic like a structural material instead of a patch job. It plugs in, heats up quickly, and lets you control temperature so the plastic flows properly. The kit includes several types of welding rods, which helps match the repair material correctly. That matters for strength and longevity. You can fix bumpers, brackets, tabs, and interior parts with confidence. Reinforcing mesh adds strength where cracks need support. The compact case keeps everything organized, which helps when you move between jobs. This is not a cosmetic fix tool. It focuses on strong repairs that last. If broken plastic slows your projects, this tool gives you a cleaner and more reliable solution. This Eris service set gives you a controlled way to remove and install pulleys without damage. It supports several common hub sizes, which cover many domestic vehicles. The system centers itself on the pulley, then applies even pressure so things move straight instead of crooked. Plastic pulleys benefit most here, since they crack easily under stress. A quick disconnect tool for GM lines adds extra usefulness. Everything is stored in one place, which keeps the process organized. This is not a flashy tool, but when you need it, nothing else works as cleanly. If steering work shows up in your garage from time to time, this set saves time and avoids costly mistakes.
Cleaning may not feel like garage work, but prep matters more than most people admit. This Griot's Garage Wash Bucket takes a smarter approach by separating clean and dirty water inside one container. The removable divider keeps grit from mixing back in, which helps protect paint and tools. Lower grates trap heavy debris, and the 6-gallon capacity gives plenty of volume. Built-in measuring marks help you mix soap correctly, which saves time and guesswork. Optional add-ons like a tool caddy or rolling base make it easier to move around the garage. This bucket works well for car washing, parts cleaning, and even tool cleanup. It sounds simple, yet the design reduces scratches and keeps water cleaner longer. If you care about finish quality, this bucket quietly supports that goal. Front-end work often turns rough when the wrong tool damages boots or bends parts. This Aries front-end service set focuses on control and protection. It includes tools for pitman arms, ball joints, and tie rods, which cover most steering service needs. The press-type ball joint separator removes joints without tearing boots, and that alone saves money. 2 pitman arm pullers handle different vehicle sizes, and the tie rod tools work across imports and domestics. The steel construction feels strong and well-finished. Everything is stored in a case, which keeps the tools easy to grab as a set. This kit does not rush the job. It encourages steady pressure and proper alignment. If steering work shows up in your garage, this set helps you do it cleanly and correctly. Every garage has moments when a bolt disappears into the engine bay. This Tool Pro pickup tool exists for those moments. It uses a long, flexible shaft that bends around hoses, brackets, and wiring. The magnetic tip grabs steel fasteners securely, and the molded handle stays comfortable in your hand. There's no power and no setup. You just reach, guide, and retrieve. This tool weighs almost nothing, yet it saves time and frustration again and again. It works best around engines, under dashboards, and near subframes. It's not fancy, and it doesn't need to be. Tools like this earn their place through repetition. Once you have it nearby, you wonder how you worked without it. So, that was all. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tool videos.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.